Have you ever come back from a relaxing vacation and only to find your plants completely dry, lifeless, and beyond saving? You did everything right. You watered them before leaving from your plants. You moved them to shade place, and still, they didn't make it. What if I told you your plants didn't die because you were gone? They died because of one simple mistake most people don't even realize. Today, I'll show you 7 powerful ways to keep your plants alive while you're on vacation, from quick hacks to smart systems, so you never lose a plant again. Part 1. Why plants die when you travel. Before we fix the problem, let's understand it. Plants don't just need water, your plants, they need consistent moisture. When you leave, soil dries faster than usual, sunlight increases evaporation, indoor air becomes dry, and the biggest mistake? Giving too much water at once before leaving. That can actually rot the roots instead of helping. So the goal is not more water, it's slow, controlled watering over time. Part 2. Method 1. Deep watering. Before leaving, give your plants a deep, slow soak, not just a quick pour. Water until the soil is fully saturated. Water drains from the bottom. This hydrates the roots properly. But here's the truth. This only works for short trips, 2 to 4 days. Anything longer, you need backup systems. Part 3. Method 3. Bottle drip hack. This one feels like magic. You'll need a plastic bottle, fill it with water, make a tiny hole in the cap, then place it upside down into the soil. Now watch this. The water slowly drips out, keeping the soil moist for days. Perfect for 5 to 7 day vacations, costs basically nothing. Pro tip, test the drip speed before leaving. Part 4. Method 4. Wick system. This one feels like magic. You'll need a container of water, a cotton string or cloth strip. Place one end in water and the other inside the soil. The plant pulls water when it needs it. Works for 1 to 2 weeks. Super reliable, no electricity needed. It's like giving your plant a self-service water system. Part 5. Method 5. Bathtub method. Got multiple plants? This is your best friend. Fill a tub or tray with a few inches of water. Place your pots inside. The roots absorb water from below. Great for medium trips. Perfect for houseplant collections. But remember, only works if your pots have drainage holes. Part 6. Method 6. Create a humidity zone. Here's a trick most people ignore. Group your plants together. Why? Plants naturally release moisture into the air, so when grouped, they create a mini ecosystem. Add this. Keep them away from direct sunlight. Place them in a cooler room. This slows down water loss significantly. Part 7. Method 6. Lock in moisture. Before you leave, cover the soil with moss, wood chips, or even damp paper towels. This acts like a shield, keeps water from evaporating too fast, keeps soil moist longer. It's simple, but very powerful. Part 8. Method 8. Automatic systems. If you travel often, this is worth it. Options: self-watering pots, drip irrigation kits, water globes. These systems deliver water slowly and consistently. Best for long trips, 2+ weeks. Great for valuable plants. Think of it as set it and forget it. Final tips. Before you leave, always move plants out of harsh sunlight. Remove dead leaves. Skip fertilizing. Test your watering system first. And if your plants are rare or expensive, ask a friend. Seriously. Now you don't have to choose between traveling the world and keeping your plants alive. Try one of these methods before your next trip and come back to healthy, thriving plants. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, because your plants deserve better care even when you're away.